The HP Latex 500 printer series is the alternative growth path for medium to large PSPs that do not yet need 126-inch capabilities. It brings the compactness and ease of operation of a 64-inch printer, plus productivity, enough to absorb peaks of production, and robustness to handle higher print volumes. Of course, keeping all the benefits of third-generation HP Latex technology versus eco-solvent. High quality, now at even higher speed, instant dry and scratch resistance, ease of use, and all the environmental advantages of water-based inks. There are 3 new innovations enabling improvements in productivity and unattendance. The new combined media load and take-up reel module called the pivot table, an enhanced curing system with condensation collection, and for speed and quality, a second optimizer printhead. Productivity isn't only about print speed. It's also related to the interaction using the printer. This is why we've designed a robust media load and take-up system, greatly improving productivity. A pain point with eco-solvent printers is the need to have space behind the back of the printer to load the materials. With the new system, there's no need to allocate any space, either beside or at the back of the printer. The 500 series does away with spindles, with spindleless loading, with all operator tasks being performed from the front of the printer. It has a pivoting system, consolidating the media load and the take-up reel in the same axis, so it's faster in terms of media load and ergonomically comfortable to use. We now have an automatic pinch adjustment system that automatically corrects skew, adjusts the pinch force according to media type loaded, and raises the pinches in the event of a media jam. All these benefits result in a media loading time of 1 minute or less. The new pivot table system also helps to offer more reliable rewinding, which translates into significantly improved length accuracy of below 1 millimeter per printed meter, a great benefit for tiling or double-sided applications. We mentioned that productivity isn't just about print speed, but we know that's important. Let's talk now about the system that provides the print speed. The enhanced curing module with the new condensate collector system and the second optimizer printhead allows us to print fast. Print speeds for indoor production are at 23 square meters per hour and outdoor production at 28 square meters per hour. It also has the benefit of being able to cure higher ink densities, which turns into more saturated colors when printing in vivid modes. With the enhanced curing system, all the vapors are captured by the condensate collector. The advantages of the condensate collector are not only controlling the condensate related to high-speed printing, but also avoiding the heat coming out of the printer. There are even more features we've added to improve productivity, overall quality, and versatility. The beacon, available as standard on the 570 and as an option on the 560, ensures operators can monitor the printer from a distance. Heavier rolls are supported, up to 55 kilograms and 250 millimeters in diameter, which means most 100-meter self-adhesive vinyl rolls can be loaded. For enhanced image quality, we've added a second optimizer printhead, which significantly suppresses banding in high-speed print modes. We've also included an intuitive IQ app to help solve quality defects, which is easily accessed from the main screen in the touch panel. Remember we mentioned the automatic pinch adjustment system? Well, this also helps with the compatibility with flimsy textiles, making it much easier for trickier medias to feed through the media path.
Another fantastic innovation to combat those dreaded plasticizers is this wiper roller accessory that can be installed in seconds, which uniforms the surface to fix quality defects. This translates into the ability to use cheaper banners and vinyls that are sensitive to plasticizers. For customers who have higher ink consumption and want a more unattended workflow, large 3-liter tanks are available on the HP Latex 570. The cartridges are accessible from the front of the printer, which are hot swappable while printing. The connectors also have a new design to improve the replacement process. The all-new HP Latex 500 printer series. Productivity is in the details.